Say, you picked this year.
Sal, do it again.
Hold on, Sal.
Reese.
Okay. Pet him, Sal.
She likes that, bud.
Yay, look at the birdie. Look at that shrimp. Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Sarah.
Oh, I want to get the blue.
Sarah's going to hold it.
I want to get the blue with the black in the way.
Hold it up. Hold it up.
I want to get that one. I want to get that one.
Wow.
I want to get that one right from me.
Look at Sal.
Oh, the blue one? You want the blue one?
Yeah, I want that one.
All right, go back down.
Can I have it?
You can.
What is it again?
Oh, good, Sal. Go see if you can get another one.
Can I try? Oh my god.
Hold on, no, wait, watch out for
Look
that.
at mine.
Watch out for the birdies. Look at the birdies.
I'll get that.
Oh, birdies.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's cute.
Can I try?
Oh, here's another one. Sal's gonna get the blue one. No, almost.
It's like Creswell.
Want to get up? Okay. Alright, wanna walk around?
Are you serious?
Reese's right behind you.